I don't know what to do. I need your help. I need the help.
Hey everyone, it's Brutal Bombshell. That's what you should do.
Hey guys.
Hey, this is Jessie.
This is Courtney.
My name is Brutal Bombshell. My name's Kurt.
Hey dolls, it's Brutal Bombshell and Courtney. Sorry for the noise in the background. Some of us have children and bring our children to work day. Anyway, today, Courtney wants to become a mermaid. So I'm gonna make this bitch a mermaid. Let's put some foundation on ya. That is super cute for that. This is not a foundation brush because
Explain what you're doing.
Summer, I'm putting foundation on Courtney's face. There's nothing to explain. If you don't know how to do foundation, hit up my girl Summer Shea.
Oh, that's free promo. Summer Shea, no space is too wide. Yay!
It's just full glam scent. Here. Oh, we're gonna get like super fucking bougie because Summer is super bougie.
I'm the furthest thing from bougie.
We're gonna use our FX brushes, not real makeup brushes, so we're gonna make it low key, not so bougie.
How am I bougie? Can you please explain?
Oh my god! Oh!
No, seriously, I'm still waiting
edit
for an
that.
example of how I'm bougie. It's a freaking highlighter. I literally own 2 highlighters. That's it.
Just a heads up, FX brushes are not meant for glam makeup. It is just a paintbrush, but fun fact, you can make anything work if you're Brutal Bombshell. You know, even for shitty brushes, this is like pretty bomb. Must be a bougie thing, you know. Right, are you bougie? Right, are you bougie? Eyeshadow brushes. We have the one and only Summer Shea being our little bitch today. We're using Morphe.
Even I know what 35B.
35B. It's not my style.
What the fuck? I hate color. I love black and champagne. I couldn't have guessed black wasn't your favorite color.
We are blending eyeshadow right into the crease. If you want a makeup tutorial about how to be glam, then you're not watching the right channel. But you can go check out Summer Shea.
No space is 2 lives. No, I thought you were gonna have some makeup tutorials or like glam gore. She does some glam, she does some gore.
No, I'm marrying glam and gore, but right now it's Halloween. We're fucking getting gory and bloody and
True.
if you want a glam tutorial, check out Jaclyn Hill.
Summer Shea, no space is 2 eyes.
Don't check out Summer Shea, but do because I'm on her channel.
Oh my god, I'm gonna look like that brush?
No. Today we're using the eyeshadow brush.
Morphe.
You're welcome. No.
Morphe 26B10. Code Summer Shea for 10% off.
You have a code. Nobody likes you.
But I have a code. Not for Morphe. But I'll leave that in the description. You're welcome. We use this blue shade that's shimmery because I don't know the fucking names because this is a goddamn Morphe palette. So this pink, this really bright pink, calling me. But we're gonna go into this really pretty shimmery green, which actually looks like vomit.
Eyebrow blonde. Summer.
So my friend Corey, sorry if you're watching this, Corey, he sent me a Snapchat this morning. He got into his car and his phone next to his radio and Pornhub was still like on. In public.
Oh my god, so like everyone heard the loudspeakers were pouring. Nice.
Yeah.
Sad that mine was, so it's like the pictures aren't back to back on Instagram.
Follow Summer Shea if you want to be told what to do.
Roasted.
Oh god. So far, right. Wow. Are we done?
Yep, this is it.
Welcome.
Passing it down here.
Alright, so we're about to give Courtney glitter herpes. Give Courtney. I don't know if
Sorry,
that's
Matt.
demonetized.
Oh my god, so I told Matt I have a swallow study on Friday. And he goes, well, you haven't been very good about practicing that, have you? And I go, no, but I guess I will while you're gone this weekend.
What's a swallow study?
They have to go in, like, do an x-ray while I swallow stupid shit.
Alright, so we're gonna just blend in some shadows.
Oh, pretty mermaid.
Right, baby? Is she pretty?
Like in my video?
She only wants me to be here so that she can get more views.
She just wants to be promoted.
She wants people to think she's funny.
So, that being said, go follow Summer Shay.
This face 2 eyes.
And I forgot my glitter glue, so we just used some liquid latex, which means this bad boy is gonna peel off roughly.
Fucking sucks. What is happening? Why is it doing that? Did everything come off?
Ooh. I want this to work so bad.
I forgot I have a mermaid palette. Look, mermaids. You can use it.
Come here.
Aggressive. Is this recording me now? Why is this not recording?
It's not recording.
It is recording. So cute.
Courtney, you look like Squidward.
Fuck off.
Ooh.
I need to throw it.
Just be staring at the lens. Stare at the lens.
No, I like the viewfinder because where am I? So we're gonna try to pull this off, and I can't make any promises what it's gonna look like since this is round 2. No.
What the? That's sweet.
Yay!
So we're gonna set this real quick with some all-nighter so that she don't go nowhere, you know? I think we're gonna add some glitter and blood because who doesn't love glitter and blood? So we're trying out the Wet n Wild paint pots, and we just used the lipstick, and she definitely looks like a goddamn mermaid.
I hate biting nails. Like, it's so gross, dude. I'm so raunchy.
I like biting.
Me too.
Yeah.
At Summer Shade.
This face is 2 eyes.
Summer's an idiot. We hate Summer.
Okay, so you just outline the hook. And now, let's get jiggy with it. Okay, now we're just gonna cover this prosthetic with foundation. We're done. That's it. Yeah, that's all. That's all you got. So I think I did a good job. How do you feel? You like it?
I love it.
I made another bombshell today. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and there will be new content almost daily for the rest of October. I hate you all.